Bugatti, in partnership with IXO, has launched a pool table. The pool table features an automated gyroscopic self-leveling system to ensure a totally flat base when installed on a yacht. With this system, each leg can move to compensate for the movement of a ship to keep the table level. These adjustments are made in just 5 milliseconds silently with no vibration. The pool table is made of high-quality materials, with a carbon fiber finish and machined aluminium and titanium underpinning the frame. The sides of the drawers are manufactured with brushed and anodized aluminium and feature the Bugatti logo, while the ball pockets are made from stainless steel and are lined with leather. Carbon fiber is also applied to the wall Q support, which features a 13-inch, high-resolution touchscreen to keep track of scores. According to Bugatti, it meets the standards of a professional tournament pool table. Bugatti will only make 30 of them. Pricing for the Bugatti pool table starts at $300,000 including accessories, with first deliveries beginning in June.